So I have been working all day, working from home. Typical, you already know if you are subscribed and you've been watching my vlogs, but I am in the process of making homemade pizza. So as in pizza dough from scratch. I'll just show you guys. I actually made this dough yesterday and now it's been sitting and resting. This is really hard to do with one hand, but there's my dough. Do you see it? Look at my pizza dough. I'm gonna have pizza for dinner tonight. I'm really excited. I usually make pizza from scratch, so making my dough from scratch is really exciting. But anyways, before I actually cook that, I just need to split that dough and turn it over and everything. But before I make pizza, now that I'm done with work, I'm actually gonna go run out to Primark. And the reason I'm going to Primark today is because I am in search of an ugly Christmas jumper. If you are British or you've ever lived in the UK, you will know that it is tradition here in the UK to wear a hideously ugly Christmas sweater. And my company is going to be having a virtual Christmas party this year, and the request of our Christmas party planners is to wear a Christmas jumper. And I was looking online and I couldn't find anything online, so I have decided that I am going to go into Primark and go shopping for a Christmas jumper. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Primark on Oxford Street now, take you guys along with me, go find my jumper, and I'll be back home in a bit, but let's go to Primark first. So just on the tube on the way into central London, gonna go to Tottenham Court Road Primark. It is crazy how empty the tube is now. It's normal rush hour for me, and normally when I'm commuting, it is so busy, as in there's like no seats available. It's always jam-packed during rush hour, but obviously now that we're not traveling as much and staying at home, the tube is so empty. Can you see behind me how empty it is? I just wish this was always like this, and it is rush hour right now in London, but obviously not that many people are commuting, so nice to have an empty train. Anyways, let's go to Primark on Tottenham Court Road. Made it into Primark. Now the hunt for the Christmas jumper begins. I just asked someone and they said they have it in the center of the store, but they don't have that many options this year supposedly, so let's check out what they do have. So these are the only jumpers they have this year. There's a Marvel one, which is Captain America, and then they have Stranger Things as well, and that's all I see. I don't see very many Christmas jumpers this year, which is really unfortunate because I came all this way to find a Christmas jumper. This is super cute, but it's only for kids. I wish they had this in adult sizes. I'm just kind of disappointed. I wish there was more Christmas things. So these are actually pajamas, and it's really cute. It says, "Dear Santa, I've been very good," and it has Pooh Bear here, which is super cute. But this is actually pajamas, and I'm just thinking with work from home, this might be the new thing that I need to get. Because they don't have Christmas jumpers, I've decided that I'm probably going to pick up a Christmas headband and look for a jumper elsewhere. But I'm kind of disappointed because I was expecting that Primark would have enough stuff, but they really don't. So I'm just gonna pick up maybe a headband, maybe some earrings as well. They do have some Christmas earrings. But yeah, kind of disappointed that there's not more selection of jumpers. Just came out of Primark. I did purchase a few things, so it was kind of a successful shop. I'll show you when I get home, but I thought it would be fun for me to walk down Oxford Street and show you guys some of the lights that are out on Oxford Street, because obviously it's Christmas time in London and it looks beautiful. And on my walk home, or back to the tube station I should say, I'll show you guys some of the lights that I see. I am just at Oxford Circus tube station, just outside, and I can't believe how empty it is in London, to be honest. Oxford Circus is always really busy. I mean, there are a lot of people out, but I used to work over here and it used to be packed full of tourists and everyone shopping and everything. And yeah, it just doesn't feel the same. I just can't believe that it's so empty. It's weird. It doesn't feel like London. But I hope you guys enjoyed the light show and all the lights that I got to see while walking down Oxford Street. I'm gonna head home and then show you guys what I bought. So So guys, I have made this pizza now, and as you can see, it looks pretty professional in my opinion. I've done this a few times, getting a little bit better each time, but I did have a little bit of a hole in the crust. Hopefully it doesn't make that big of a difference, but I'm going to put it in the oven now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it comes out. Here's my final pizza. I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below of what you think. I am going to tuck in and eat this, but I absolutely love making pizza at home. I love pizza in general, and I think now that I make it at home, I think I appreciate pizza so much more. It honestly only takes like 10 minutes in the oven, and then you have pizza at home. The longest process is making the dough, which I might show in a later video, but ta-da! Anyways, let's eat this pizza. Guys, I just finished eating my pizza, which you guys would have seen, but I thought I could show you guys my Primark haul. So what did I actually get from Primark? The first thing isn't Christmassy at all, actually. This is something that I always get usually from Primark, and it is hair clips. And I've just broken all of mine, and so I thought I would purchase some new hair clips. So not that exciting, not that Christmassy, but I love Primark for these kind of cheap fits where you just need to get some essentials and they don't need to be that much. So I got hair clips. I think these are only £1.50. Yeah, £1.50 for all of those. But let's talk about what I'm actually gonna wear for my company Christmas party where we've been asked to wear ugly Christmas jumpers. The first thing I got is this cute little jingle, jingle, jingle elf headband. I'll put it on actually. Oh wow, it goes with my sweater. I'd have to say, I think I'm pretty festive already. Look how cute I look. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, that's the first super tacky Christmas thing that I got. Even tackier, I got a Mrs. Claus dress. So it's not a jumper, it's actually a dress. Hang on, let me turn the camera so you guys can see it fully on me. This is what I got. And it's like a Santa Claus costume, but it's a dress, so it's made obviously as Mrs. Claus. And it comes with a Santa hat, so I can take it off and put the Santa hat on. But yeah, oh, it's already itchy. Oh man, but I feel like it's really cute, super tacky, gonna be perfect for my company virtual Christmas party, which is why I bought it. But yeah, what do you think? Do you think it's cute? And by cute, I mean tacky. But yeah, they didn't have any sweaters, but all they had was these dress jumper things. They had an elf one that wasn't in my size, but I got the Santa one, so this is what I'm gonna be wearing, and that's all I got from Primark. So let's go into advent calendars, because it's that time of the day to wrap up the vlog and talk about what I get in my advent calendar. So it is what day is it? 10. Okay, it's day 10, so I have to find 10. Oh, it's a big one, guys. Let's see what it says. What's in it? Oh, look, little Zizi is in here. Hi, Zizi. Oh, look, guys, I got a bear today. I got a Lynch chocolate bear. Okay, that's day 10 in this one. Now, for the troubling advent calendar. Okay, we can do this, Anika. Let's go. Day 10, day 10, day 10, 10, 10. Where is day 10? 21, 15, 1, 4, no, 6, 24, 17, 9, 12, no, 11, 20, 16, 18, 14, no. Why is this so hard for me? Honestly, am I like, I don't know. I don't get this. What is wrong? What the 23, 13, 19, 22, where is day 10? Am I that slow? Like, I don't get it. What is going on? Why is this so difficult? 9, 12, 17, 24, 6. Okay, that's that side. Oh my god, you guys. That took forever for me to find that my battery actually died on my camera and I had to replace it. Anyways, I found day 10. It was kind of hiding, but I found it. Let's open it and see what I got. Yes! New chocolate! I got a Cadbury milk. Oh, yay! I got a little chocolate bear and a Cadbury milk. Anyways, guys, that brings me to the end of today's Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will catch you guys in my vlog tomorrow. Bye!